Okay, so here is the tutorial for fractions, decimals, and percentages worksheet 108, calculating for the original price. Okay, so remember, in the other lesson, we have studied how to calculate for profits, okay, and discounts. And we know profits is an increase, discounts is a decrease, okay? So for this one, we are using the same formula, okay? So we have the percentage and we have a certain value, and then we have a new value, okay? So for this one, we are using the same formula and we are just manipulating it, meaning we are, instead of looking for the new value, now we are looking for the original value. Okay, so let's get started. So calculating for the original price is like the reverse, okay, it's over here, or the opposite of calculating for profits and discount, okay? When you calculate for profits and discount, you increase the OP. Now, what is OP? OP is original price, okay? You increase or decrease the OP to find the selling price. The selling price is SP. Now that you're given the selling price and percentage increase or decrease, what we're interested in is looking for the original price. So as I showed in the last slide, okay? When we did percentage increase or decrease, okay, profits or discount, we had the percentage multiplied by the original value, okay, and then we calculated for the new value, okay? So we were looking for the new value, but now calculating the original price, you are given the percentage and the new value, and what we are looking for would be the original value, okay? So this is where your knowledge of algebra will be used, okay? So let's look at the first example here. So Joe sold his Rolex watch for $150,000, okay? So let's put that down there. So he sold his Rolex for $150,000 and he earned a profit of 20%. What is the original price of the watch? Okay? So let's look at what is given. The selling price of the watch, okay? He sold his Rolex selling price for $150,000, okay? He had a profit, it already said here, of 20%. So since it's a profit, it's a percentage increase. So remember, the original price is 100%. Okay, the profit is an additional 20%. So the new percentage is 120%. Okay, so we know the selling price. We know the percentage increase. What are we looking for? We are looking for the original price, and let's give that a variable x. Okay, so in English, we read this as 120% of the original price is the selling price. So 120% of the original price is the selling price. This is Mathglish. So 120% of original price is X. Selling price is 150. So this is your equation. Okay. Now remember, you cannot multiply, divide, okay, with a percentage. So you need to make 120% into a decimal. How do you do that? We divide it by 100. So move the decimal point back and you have 1.2. That's how we got 1.2. Okay? So 1.2 times x equals 150. Now, remember your algebra. How do we isolate the x? We get rid of the coefficient, which is 1.2. So you divide both sides by 1.2. And this cancels out. And so you have x is $125,000. So since x is OP, then The original price of the watch is $125,000, okay? So let's go to the next example. Andy sold his car for $180,000, okay? He sold it at a discount at 10% discount. So now we know it's a discount. We know there is a price decrease because it's a discount, okay? So what is the original price of the car? We're looking for the OP. So what do we know? We know the selling price. It says there, selling price is 180,000, okay? We know it's a discount. It says discount, okay? Discount 10%, okay? So it's a percentage decrease. So what do? 100% is the original price minus the percentage decrease because it's a discount, okay? So that means the new percentage is 90%. Again, let X be the original price. So go back to percentage of a quantity. It's the same thing. So in English, we say 90% of the original price is the selling price. Translate to Mathglish, 90% of the original price, OP, equals the SP, selling price. What is OP? OP is X, so put X there. What is the selling price? 180,000, okay? Again, you cannot multiply and divide with a percentage, so you need to make it into a decimal divided by 100. So move the decimal places 2 to the right and you have 0.9. That's how we got 0.9. So 0.9x, let's not look at that first. 0.9x is equal to 180,000. Now, you need to isolate the x, so we need to get rid of 0.9. So what do? We divide both sides by 0.9. This cancels, and x is equal to 200,000, okay? So the original price of the car was $200,000, okay? So let's look at the sample questions, okay? So it says, Jay bought 2 hot dogs. He sold 1 hot dog to Clarice for $120. Wow, those are some expensive hot dogs, okay? So the selling price, okay, is $120. And he made what? Did he make a profit? Did he make a profit or a discount? Okay, so he made a profit of 20%, and we know profit is percentage increase, okay? So what is the original price of the hot dog? So we are looking for original price, okay? So the profit, remember, 20%. So the original price is 100% plus the 20% profit. So the new percentage is 120%, okay? So in English, okay, how do we write this? 120% of the original price is the selling price. Okay, so now let's make it into Mathglish. 120% of the original price equals the selling price. Okay, so we know, okay, we know what the percentage is. We don't know the original price, but we do know that the selling price is $120. Okay, $120. Now, we cannot multiply, divide with a percentage. So what do? We divide it by 100. So you have 1.2. So this now becomes 1.2 times, okay, oh, I forgot. Let X equals OP. Okay, sorry, this should be X. Okay, times X equals $120. Isolate the X, 1.2, 1.2, and X is equal to, what's the answer? $100. Okay, so the original price of the hot dog was, OMG, that must be a very special hot dog. Okay, so let's do the other one. Suri wanted to buy a new iPad, so she sold her old iPad to Cheryl for $2,500. Okay, so this is your selling price. There was a markdown, okay, of 80%. What is markdown? Markdown is another word for discount. Okay, remember that from percentage increase, decrease, profits and discount. Markup is another word for profit. Markdown is another word for discount. Okay, so we know that the original price is 100%. There was a markdown of 80%. Okay, so that means the new percentage is 20%. Okay, what was the original price of her old iPad? So we're looking for the original price. Okay, so again, let X equals original price. Okay, or OP. Okay, so in English, let's do the English. That means 20% of the original price is the selling price. Okay, it's good practice to, to translate Mathglish and English. Okay, so this is Mathglish. Okay, 20% of the original price of X, okay, 20% of X, because X is our original price, is equal to the selling price. Okay, so 20% of X is equal to 2,500, the selling price. Okay, again, you cannot multiply divide by a percentage, so you need to divide by 100, which will give you 0.2. Okay, so this becomes 0.2x is equal to 2,500. Isolate the variable by removing the coefficient, which is 0.2 divided by 0.2. X is equal to $12,500. So the original price of the iPad was $12,500. Okay, so I hope that this short tutorial helps you understand how to do original price. Now it's your turn, okay, to solve the next 6 questions. And remember, question 6 is a challenge. Okay, bye-bye.